Guys, all of the prices are now $0. Like if you guys remembered just a minute ago, the premium version was $19 a month. Now it's $0. Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Netflix for completely free forever. Like this will never expire, so this is not like a trial method that you just sign up and then it will last like 2 weeks or whatever. And this will last forever, and you can get the best package, which is the premium version, so you save $20 a month doing this. And you'll be able to access Netflix for any country. Like, so if you live in USA, with this method, you'll be able to watch like Japanese Netflix without actually having to use like a VPN all the time. Like you'll be able to do this within Netflix with this glitch, guys. So let's go ahead and just start this video and show you guys how to do this. I'm going to showcase how to do this tutorial on my phone, but you guys can set this up on your computer as well. But anyways, I'm going to turn on my screen recording on my iPhone and show you guys how to do this. So screen recording is going live in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here we have the actual screen recording. You guys should see my phone right now. And as you can see, I have Netflix right now. So here we have the Netflix app opened. As you can see, we have 3 packages. We have basic, standard, and premium. So right now we're selected on standard. It's $15.49 a month, so it's pretty pricey. But with this method I'm going to show you guys, it is insane. So we have to use NordVPN, but not just any NordVPN. It's a glitched version of NordVPN that I'm going to show you guys how to get. But do not buy NordVPN normally, like how you normally would, because this will not work. It has to be through this glitch method that I'll showcase. But let me just show you guys first the proof that it works. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to my NordVPN with the glitched account, guys, that I'm going to show you guys how to get later in the video. So as you can see, I'm connected now to the glitched server. And once it's connected, watch what happens in Netflix. So as you can see, it says NordVPN developer detected. And it says all plans are now free forever. And Netflix sharing block has been bypassed and removed permanently. So we click OK. And look, guys, all of the prices are now $0. Like if you guys remembered just a minute ago, the premium version was $19 a month. Now it's $0. So you can go ahead and get any plan on Netflix for completely free with this method. We're going to go ahead and just click it. And now we can literally log in, guys. Let's see here. Subscription activated. You now have Netflix Premium for free forever. Expires December 31st, 2099. And guys, this was all possible because of the developer NordVPN glitch that I'm going to show you guys here in a couple of minutes how to do. It is not available with the regular NordVPN though, so keep on watching so you guys make sure you get this right and know what to do. But not only that, guys, but when you activate the NordVPN glitch with your Netflix account, if you go over to country, look at this, you can change your location to any location, guys. You can do USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Japan. And you can turn off the VPN. Like watch, I'm going to turn off the VPN and it will still let me do this. So I'm going to click disconnect and I'm going to come back here and now it's still activated, guys. And that's because this is not like the conventional method where you use the VPN just to like connect you one time. Like this is always permanent. So now we're going to go ahead and just put USA again because I want to stay on USA. I don't want to change it. But yeah, you would just type in any country and it will automatically, like it will change the entire library to all of the shows and movies from there. We're going to go over to my profile though and just showcase you guys that it also is legit there. We're going to go in account. And as you can see, it says free for life, never expires. And I have premium HD, like it automatically gives you premium, which is the most expensive package for Netflix. So to get the NordVPN glitch though, guys, it's very simple. Open up your browser on your iPhone or Android device or go on your computer. And you're going to go into your browser, guys, and you're going to go to this. You're going to type in this link, guys.
So head over to the developer NordVPN website. Remember, this is not same as the normal NordVPN. The link is attached to the description of this video and the comments section. So we are gonna click on the link where it says tap here to get NordVPN for free. After that, click on Start Download button. Now, just to confirm you're not a robot, we will have to complete a simple step to get access to the NordVPN. It's simple and very easy. Just download at least 2 apps from the website and run them for 5 minutes. This will automatically unlock the download button for the glitch NordVPN. Make sure you complete the verification, otherwise it will not work.
And then it will give you access. Then you download the program on your computer, like the NordVPN, or you download the app on your phone and log into your account. And then when you activate it, you open up Netflix and all the prices will be $0 and it will give you access to everything. So that's how this works, guys. But you have to get the NordVPN from that link. It's the developer one, guys. So that's how this method works. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.